Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. 3 items, each bought for a specific purpose. We'll start with this little car. Needs a AA battery in it, but I've bought it because I want the motor out of it. Because I've used these before and I'm confident that the motor has an extra long shaft on it with a worm gear on the end of it to reach the gears that drive the axles. So we'll have a look at that in a minute because I want that for a project I have in mind. This one, oh, that was £1, that one. This one, £1.75, does nothing, it's just freewheeling. Oh, I say that. I didn't realise that. That one's actually got a friction or flywheel motor in it. But either way, what I intend to do with this one is one of my body swap videos where I stick the bits out of a radio controlled car in it, because I think that'll look quite nice, radio control. And then finally, this, I bought it for the fun of it. You wind it up, that starts the little gyros or flywheels going in these two motorbikes, and then you flick that forwards and they shoot off and race each other. So we'll have a go at that on the kitchen floor now. Right, this one cost me £1.99. Underneath it says, where are we? Mattel 2000, so it's 17 years old. Yeah, Hot Wheels. See if it works. Well, they worked. What you didn't see was they didn't go very far. They got the power to get this distance, but they don't go very straight. I'll give it another try. This would be about 4.5 meters if they get as far as the camera. I think that's as straight as we're going to get. The blue one really shoots off to the left. The yellow one more or less goes straight. Still, that was fun. I'm sure my grandsons will enjoy playing with that.